Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to always win tournaments in Monopoly Go. Winning tournaments in Monopoly Go requires strategic gameplay and effective use of game mechanics. Here's what you're going to do. Familiarize yourself with the specific rules and objectives of each tournament. Select tournaments that match your playstyle and skill level for better chances of success. Practice using dice effectively to maximize movement and coin collection. Invest in upgrades that enhance dice rolls and provide strategic advantages. Analyze the gameplay, tendencies, and strategies of opponent in the tournament. Prioritize collecting coins early to afford essential upgrades and property acquisitions. Quickly complete quests within the tournament time frame to earn rewards and gain advantages. Invest in properties with higher rent values early to increase income. Equip and use stickers or items that multiply coin earnings from dice rolls. Strategize to minimize visits to jail and penalties that hinder progress. Continuously invest in acquiring and upgrading properties to build a strong portfolio. Negotiate trades with opponents to acquire strategic properties or advantages. Keep track of opponents' progress and adjust strategies accordingly. Balance coin spending between property investments and upgrades to maintain competitiveness. Activate special cards or stickers strategically to gain temporary advantages in gameplay. Develop long-term strategies by planning several moves ahead to outmaneuver opponents. Adjust strategies dynamically based on changes in tournament progress and opponent actions. Identify and capitalize on opponents' weaknesses in gameplay or strategic decisions. Engage with communities to strategize collectively and gain additional support. And stay active throughout the tournament duration to maximize opportunities for earning points and rewards. And that's how to always win tournaments in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!